I just love, I've got these 4 apple trees. When they start to blossom, they're so beautiful. All white and everything. Anyway, I was thinking about this weekend. I read great post by Jay. I'll share it in the comments, just talking about AI deployment, and he's getting a lot of questions. I know other people are too. What do we do with AI with CS? What's the evolution? I've been talking the last month about some of the things I'm thinking about, which is artificial intelligence, and how do you actually create more of an orchestrated intelligence within your organization. I'm really interested and fascinated with this idea of building out the blended teams across the left to right journey that tends to be in everything we do in business. The revenue journey, leads come in, you work a scale, you get to an end, you either win it or you lose it, and it passes on to your next team. And again, you're kind of following this process from left to right. So on top of that, you're trying to run your business or a vertical orchestration or leadership style. And it typically is top down. And I've shared a couple things about what I believe are some other ways to build teams, keeping it flatter. But anyway, the time of how we can blend these two together, I think, is now. Thinking about how we actually look at creating these blended AI teams across the customer journey, the revenue journey, but also then figuring out how we actually bring that all together. And I've been working with Christina over at Mai-Tai.ai, which love the name. Anyway, she's been working on this concept as well. She's got her core brain AI, which is kind of sitting in the center and really, or at the top, and connecting all of the AI tools, whether it's chatbots or agents or applications, across the kind of horizontal workflow. So it's actually bringing this concept to life. I'm also been talking and engaging with Amos over at Swan AI. They're doing the same thing, which is incredibly cool to watch. Definitely early adopters of how you could actually build a 30 million ARR business with just 3 founders and a whole bunch of AI agents. But I think there's this plan, this ability to get us into a more managed step of how we actually look at bringing this all together. So that's what I've been thinking about the last couple of days. Just going to share this post with Jay's, which I thought was a really great post, with his 8 steps. And then, yeah, let's keep the conversation going. Again, I'm Lee Roque. I'm trying to foster ideas on how to build better teams, tell better stories with data, and make sure we keep the blended AI teams using and helping us build better companies, but that we keep our main focus, which is always on people helping people. All right, have a great day. Thanks for your time. And yeah, hope to see some comments in the post.